Welcome to Flyers coverage of Oshkosh 2025. Thank you very much, Cirrus Aircraft and Echelon Air. We weren't going to make this video, but we just spotted some great things walking around the show before it even opened. So this is Sunday. We hope you enjoy the coverage. Look forward to it. We'll bring you information of this stuff throughout the week. Have a good one. Check back often.
If I sound excited, it's because I am. We've just found this amazing Spirit Engineering SE1. It's a beautiful SLSA, apparently powered by their own engine, been in development in secret for several years. We're gonna have to find out more about this beauty. Look at the trousers, I'm in love. How cool is this? It's a Champion 402 Lancer. There's only 6 left flying and it's a classic only at Oshkosh moment. Here's one. We knew it was on the way because it was finished. It's an amazing project from Rare Aircraft. It's an absolutely gorgeous Stinson SR-9C on amphibious floats. It's the only one in the world, and Rare have made it happen, and it is fabulous. After a year out of the spotlight, the RV-15's back. We know there's been intense development on that, and it's here for all to see. It's got a new wing, a new tail, and we hear there's going to be some hot news tomorrow.
That's just a small peek at all the amazing stuff going on here. Right behind me there's the Cougar, the 2-seat version of the Panther that we flew a few years ago. Fantastic. We'll be bringing more all week. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe.